SmokeRing's Icon Pack is an innovative Android application designed to enhance the personalization of devices through a unique set of icons. Drawing inspiration from the mesmerizing look of smoke rings, this icon pack typically features soft, rounded designs with subtle gradients and a modern aesthetic that appeals to users seeking a sophisticated appearance. The smoke rings icon pack usually includes a large collection of beautifully crafted icons that can replace standard app icons, allowing for a cohesive and visually appealing home screen. It is generally compatible with various popular Android launchers, making it easy for users to apply the new icons without complex setup processes. In addition to the extensive icon catalog, the app may offer features like frequent updates, custom wallpapers, and options for user suggestions, ensuring that it evolves with the tastes and needs of its users. Overall, SmokeRing's Icon Pack is an excellent choice for those looking to enrich their Android devices with a sleek and stylish design that enhances the overall user experience.